Okay, so yesterday we revised chapter number 1 and 6. So how was your test? Test was good? Sure? कईयों को check करके भेज दिए. So some silly mistakes were there. One question was you have to fill an enclosed area with the selected pattern. है ना, वो आपका भी गलत है. So that is the pattern stem, not the gradient. Gradient is when you have to fill with specified pattern or specified color. The question was selected pattern. ठीक है, तो जिसमें हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं मींस हमने पैटर्न को कोई पहले एक उसकी सोर्स लेंगे, सैम्पलिंग लेंगे, so that we have to fill, that is the pattern stamp. Okay, and I think one more question was wrong, that is how to apply the layer effects, layer styles. ठीक है, वो कमांड देख लेना, वो आपकी गलत थी, राइट? No, you have written add a stairlight layer style button, so that is wrong. So I will check in the version once again, will let you know, right? So any other doubt in the test? It was okay? Okay, so we were discussing the extra questions yesterday, so continuing with that only. Today we have to start with chapter number 7. 6 was done, chapter 6 done, all the questions, right? Chapter 7. On कर दो ये वाला. Okay, what is a layer? What is a layer? Layers are the transparent. Yes, yes, Pranjali. Pranjali, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What are layers? Pranjali, what happened? You have given the test.
Ma'am, I didn't know this answer. I have put cross in this question.
आपने बाद में भी लर्न नहीं किया. Okay, Vedanti, same question.
Ma'am, layers are the transparent sheets which are stacked one over another.
So layers are the transparent sheets that are stacked upon one or the other. How will you delete a layer? How to delete a layer? It's really surprising. You people have given the test yesterday only. That means the test was not attempted honestly. है ना? क्लास में नहीं आंसर कर पा रहे हो टेस्ट के एक दिन बाद. बुक्स खोल के टेस्ट दिए. Then yes, who will answer how to delete a layer? Yes, Jayant.
Ma'am, select the layer and click on delete layers button in the layers palette.
So for deleting a layer, the two methods are there. I told you the method, either you can click on delete layer button present at the bottom of layer panel. Second method, you can directly drag the layer to the delete layer button. Third method, right click on it and select the option delete layer. Clear hai? How to delete a layer? Should I show you the method once again practically? Or is it clear? Clear hai? Drag the layer to the delete layer button. Second, select the layer and click on delete layer button. Third, right click on the layer and select the option delete layer. तीनों तरह से you can delete layer, okay? How to rename the layer? Double click on the layer name and type the new. 3 ways to insert new layer. Write 3 ways to insert new layer. What are the 3 ways for inserting new layer? Yes, Anshika.
Layers menu, new layer option.
Layer menu,
Click on
is it a new layer or new के अंदर sub option is layer? Because in the test also you people are writing wrong. आप लेयर के अंदर न्यू लेयर दे रहे हो, लेयर के अंदर न्यू है, फिर न्यू के अंदर लेयर आ रहा है. Let it be check it right now. Just a second. प्रैक्टिकली एक बारी देख लेते हैं. नो इश्यूज. So layer, new layer. There is a sub option layer which is inside the new option. Layer menu, arrow, new arrow, layer. How you have to write? Layer menu, arrow, new arrow, layer. Right? Second method using the shortcut key, Control plus Shift plus N. Shift plus Control plus N. The shortcut key is Shift plus Control plus N. Third method is new layer button on the that is present on the layers panel. New layer or create a new layer, both are correct. New layer button or create a new layer button that is present at the bottom of layer panel. And when you have to delete, the button name is delete layer. Either you can use right click, right? No, right click में drag थोड़ा करोगे. Right click on it and use the option delete layer, or you can simply drag to the delete layer button or select the layer and click on delete layer button. Okay, so these were the 3 methods. Any doubt? आपने add a layer style ही लिखा था बच्चे, करेक्ट करवा लेना मेरे से आप, ठीक है? Okay, so clear? The questions are visible once again. Yes, online students. Okay. How to, what are the methods for applying the layer styles effects? Methods for applying layer style effects. Again, you have to go to the layer menu, then choose the option layer style. The command is layer menu, arrow, layer style. Layer menu, arrow, layer style. Or layer styles button at the bottom of layer panel. Layer styles button or add a layer style button, both are correct. Add a layer style button or layer styles button on the present at the bottom of layer panel. All right. Now, write down the tools used for the following: to create smooth strokes of the foreground color. Smooth strokes of the foreground color. Yes, Manya?
Yes, ma'am.
Which tool is used to create smooth strokes?
Brush tool.
Yes, the answer is brush tool. To draw freehand drawings with hard edges, pencil tool, correct. Pencil tool. To replace the existing color of an image, color replacement tool. To repair imperfections like blemishes or dark spots, spot healing brush tool. To duplicate part of the image by selecting a sampling point. किसमें डुप्लीकेट करते हैं? क्लोन स्टेम. डुप्लीकेट किसमें बनाते हैं? क्लोन स्टेम. टू फिल एन एरिया विद सिलेक्टेड पैटर्न. यही क्वेश्चन था कल आपको टेस्ट में. टू फिल एन एरिया विद सिलेक्टेड पैटर्न, पैटर्न स्टैम्प टूल. इसमें क्लोन स्टैम्प नहीं आएगा क्योंकि क्लोनिंग में हम डुप्लीकेट करते हैं. राइट, क्वेश्चन में है कि हमने कोई पैटर्न लगाना है, तो पैटर्न मींस पैटर्न स्टैम्प टूल. To blur out background or to create soft tone in the selected area, blur tool. To sharpen the outlines of image to improve clarity, sharpen tool. To add the text, which tool is used? Which tool is used? Yes, Prabnoor.
मैम टाइप टूल.
Type tool. It is not the text tool. Tool का name है type. Okay, so type tool. To add filled or unfilled shapes. To add filled or unfilled shapes. Shapes किससे insert करते हैं? Custom shape tool. Custom shape tool. To lighten the areas of image, dodge tool. Lighten the areas, dodge tool. To darken the areas, burn tool. To darken the areas, the tool name is burn. To move an image while zoomed in. आपकी इमेज जूम हुई है, आपने इसको मूव करना है. So how you will move? Using a hand tool. Using hand tool. Okay. Now next you have to give the commands to add a layer. Layer menu, arrow, new, arrow, layer. Layer menu, arrow, new, arrow, layer. To open hue or saturation dialog box. What is the command? To open hue or saturation dialog box. Image menu, write down the command. Image menu, arrow, adjustments, adjustments, arrow, hue slash saturation, hue or saturation option. The command is image menu, adjustments option, sub option is hue or saturation, means two arrows will be there. Firstly image menu, arrow डाल के लिखो adjustments, arrow डाल के hue और saturation. All right. Next, to open variation dialog box, same command, image menu, arrow, adjustments, arrow, variations. Hue और saturation की जगह पे आ जाएगा variations. Image menu, arrow, adjustments, arrow, variations. To check spelling, command for to check spelling. Yes, Vedanti. Vedanti, are you giving answer? Vedanti, your mic is unmuted. Bachche, you are not speaking. Okay, to check spelling, edit menu, arrow, check spelling option. Edit menu, arrow, check spelling option. Done. To save the selection, louder, select menu, arrow, save selections. Select menu, arrow, save selections. Given on page 71. On page number 71. To open layer styles dialog box, layer styles dialog box. Layer menu, layer styles option, layer menu, layer style option. When you will follow the command, the layer style dialog box will appear. Done. Any doubt in any of the command? किसी को कोई मिस होगी हो? All the commands are done. Next, coming on to the shortcut keys. To deselect the selection,
Control plus D.
Control plus D. Brush tool, shortcut key of brush, B. B for boy, okay. Type tool, T. Type tool is T. Switch between horizontal and vertical type tool. How to switch between horizontal and vertical? Shift plus T. Shift plus T. Hue or saturation dialog box. Hue or saturation dialog box. The shortcut key is Control plus U. Control plus U. To increase or decrease the size of brush, अगर आपको डिक्रीज करना है ब्रश साइज तो लेफ्ट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. टू इंक्रीज दिस ब्रश साइज, राइट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. ओके, लेफ्ट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एंड राइट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. To see the size of the brush. To see the size of the brush, which shortcut key is used? Caps lock key. Blur tool. Shortcut key of blur R. दोनों चैप्टर्स की ना शॉर्टकट की एक टेबुलर फॉर्म में बना के रख लो, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड कि किस टूल की कौन सी की है. सो मेक इट इन अ टेबुलर फॉर्म, दैट विल बी इजी टू लर्न. कमांड्स आल्सो एंड द शॉर्टकट की, दोनों का टेबल बनाओगे आप. डन. टू डिफाइन द सोर्स पॉइंट, सोर्स पॉइंट कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं क्लोन स्टैम्प में या हीलिंग ब्रश में? बाय प्रेसिंग ऑल्ट की. Alt की. Zoom in. Control plus. Zoom in, control plus. Zoom out, control minus. Zoom out की क्या है? Control minus. To move an image while zoom in. To move an image while zoomed in. Space bar key. Space bar key. Now any doubt in any of the question? Doubt है बच्चे कोई? All the questions are clear? Just go through once again. Once again scrolling the PDF. What is networking? In case आपको कोई question में doubt होगा, just let me know. Write any 5 advantages of networking. Components of wired networking. Components of wireless networking. Types of network based on the geographical area. Network architectures. What is network security? 2 levels of network security. Threats to the network. Define the term node. Video conferencing. Intranet. Extranet. Bluetooth. Protocol. Wi-Fi. Wireless access points. Server. Full form of WAP. Wi-Fi. DSL. LAN. MAN. WAN. PAN. कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? क्लियर है सारे? Types of network. 5 computers connected in school lab. LAN. Mobile and laptop of A are connected together. WAN. Network spread across city. MAN. 2 or more computers connected at faraway places. WAN. Network where several computers are connected to one main computer. Client server. Network where computers of same capability are connected together. Use of Photoshop. 5 features of Photoshop. How will you start Photoshop? Components of Photoshop window. Categories हमने कल discuss करी थी. Selection and crop. Annotations and measurements. Retouching and painting. Type and drawing. Various selection tools. 4 types of marquee tools. 3 lasso tools. Types of gradients. ये भी कल करवाया था gradient, फिर भी टेस्ट में गलत है, बहुत बच्चों का गलत है. Adobe Photoshop 1.0 was launched in. Credit for the invention of Adobe Photoshop, Thomas Knoll. First version was known as bar that displays the name of the program. Other name of context menu. Options bar. What is the name of the floating dialog boxes? Palettes. Default extension. Undo command is in edit menu. To merge selections, shift, subtract selection. To subtract selection. Copy open करो ना, कल तो लिखवाए हैं अभी. Still you people are not able to give answer. कल इवनिंग में टेस्ट कैसे अटेम्प्ट किए? कल क्लास में हमने डिस्कस नहीं किया. ऑल्ट की शिफ्ट की से ऐड होती है, ऑल्ट की से सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. टू फिनिश क्रॉपिंग. बच्चे पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दो, अब पेपर आने वाले हैं. आप तो रिवीजन के बाद भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर पा रहे हो. अभी तो रिवीजन हो गई है इन क्वेश्चंस की. एंटर की टू अनडू मोर देन वन एक्शन. Alt plus control plus Z. undo, Control Z, deselect the selection, cut, copy, paste. To copy selected part of image within the same image, Alt, gradient or paint bucket, open your notes and learn it. Be quick. It's G. Gradient tool or paint bucket is G. Move tool, V. Crop tool, C. Magic wand, W. Lasso tool, Mark U, M. So next we discuss the commands, right? To display tools palette, to create new file, to save file, insert an image on workspace, open an image, to display layers panel, to copy selected part of the image, to paste copied image, undo. Then various tools you have to tell, write the tool names for the following. हमने इस चैप्टर में भी करे, हमने आज वाले चैप्टर में भी करे, तो आप इनको कंबाइन कर लेना, चैप्टर 6 and 7 दोनों के, राइट? अब 3 चैप्टर्स तो आपके टिप्स पे होने चाहिए, बट स्टिल नो रिस्पॉन्स. आज जो क्वेश्चंस करवाए हैं, आई एम ओपनिंग दैट क्वेश्चंस. ये क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आज हमने डिस्कस करे हैं, राइट? करो इनकी रिवीजन.